My name's Jason Patrick. I work for EEF Custom Homes, and this is my Pemberton Heights project. This home was originally built in 1936 and has had several remodels done to it throughout the years, and this is the latest and greatest addition. There are very few areas remaining in the house from the original. We completely redid the entire exterior, resided it all, added gas lanterns, new roof, new gutters, exterior gate, and all brand new interior finishes. Design was provided by Julie at Reform Design Works, and all custom exterior doors and windows were built by Presidio Door and Windows. In the entryway, we have opened this up a little bit from the original and added new lighting, the custom steel door, and added butterfly wallpaper. This is the kitchen here in Pemberton Heights. We have completely reconfigured this bar area, added new countertops, lacquered cabinetry. We have opened up this space from the original and made it a more open concept kitchen, added a much larger island, all panel front appliances, new light fixtures, and waterfall island countertops. Here at the Pemberton Heights project, we're in the den area. We have added a new countertop surround and a fireplace insert. In this area, all of the paneling in here is original. We have just refinished it, added new wood floors, updated the can lighting here, as well as throughout the house, we've added a Sonos sound system. Here in the dining room, we opened up these whole areas. These were all solid walls with a small entry point here. Added all the custom casing throughout here, the new light fixtures, and then we have a highlighted china closet with a glass pocket door. This is one of the areas in the house that we changed the most. This used to be a laundry room right here with an entry into an old office that we have now reconfigured into a clean open walkway with a nice large laundry room and a master closet. This is the main living / media area. We've added all the custom cabinetry here with a brand new TV. We have opened up some of the walls behind me here to make this a little bit more spacious area, as well as brand new windows and a custom steel door. We've added a new pool out here with the custom blue charcoal looters and pool coping, a nice blue large pool deck with the water feature, as well as we've added tape lighting all the way around the overhangs here, which looks really nice at night, as well as the custom steel arbor. We're here in the master bedroom, which is configured more or less the way it was originally. We have taken a little bit of the space to make the master bathroom larger, reframed the back here for this large custom steel window, and reconfigured some of the structural works in here for what's above. So we're here in the master bathroom. We have enlarged this area a little bit, added a TV cabinet, and reconfigured this to make it a much more usable space with the double sinks. We also have a nice herringbone marble tile that transitions into a glassless shower enclosure with a rain head and a really cool inset tile detail in a herringbone pattern. We also utilize the same countertop material for all of the niches. This is the master closet. This is one of the spaces that we reclaimed from the old office and old laundry room to make a large, more usable closet. In here we have lighting and all the shelving, as well as we have a ladder so that she can reach the upper shelves. We're here in the guest bedroom. This area is pretty much the same configuration as we got it in. We have added this unique paneling wall with a hidden door that goes into the attic space for the mechanical area, as well as added a larger closet. As you transition through the area, you leave the guest into the Jack and Jill, which we have taken this area and transitioned it to a double vanity space with all new custom stain-grade cabinetry, nice accent backsplashes, as well as that tile carries in to the shower area, which we have taken and reconfigured from a bathtub into a walk-in shower with all new fixtures, as well as relocated the commode to a more usable area for the space. As we carry on through the Jack and Jill, we come into the son's room. We have taken this area and removed a more or less unusable closet, added custom cabinetry for the closet, as well as a knee space and working area for him. In here we have the custom cabinetry that we have reconfigured in order to utilize this space most efficiently, with hanging drawers in both areas. We're here in their daughter's bedroom. We have left this room for the most part in the same configuration, added crown molding, new baseboards, custom cabinetry for storage and closet, as well as a working knee space. Here we're going into the attic that we have turned into his office area. To make this area happen, we had to work closely with Logan Architecture as well as Reform Design Works in conjunction with the City of Austin to make this habitable attic possible. Some of the reconfiguration downstairs structurally and the redesign is what allowed us to get this into place.